Lvlp spray gun search feels like scrolling through the same product over and over. Same features, same claims, same photos. But here's the thing, just because it looks good on paper doesn't mean it works in real life. Most people buy based on price or brand name, but they end up with tools that clog, waste paint, or break after one project. I tested 5 of the top-selling Lvlp guns to find out which ones actually deliver smooth finishes, save paint, and don't fall apart. Let's go. Product number 1, Craft D1 Premium Kit. First up is the Craft D1 Lvlp Air Spray Gun Premium Kit. This one caught my eye right away because it comes as a full kit, no extra purchases needed. Priced at $154, it sits in the mid to high range, so you might wonder if it's worth it. But honestly, for someone tackling car refinishing or furniture repainting, this could be exactly what you need. The gun itself has a solid aluminum body with Teflon coating, meaning it resists wear and makes cleanup surprisingly easy. It includes 3 nozzle sizes, 1.3, 1.5, 1.7, an air regulator, a water oil separator, and a 600 ml cup. That's everything most DIYers need to start without guessing. What really stands out is how well it atomizes thicker paints, things like primer or enamel that usually gunk up cheaper guns. With up to 65% paint transfer efficiency, you won't be wasting gallons trying to get a smooth coat. The dual-stage trigger also helps reduce hand fatigue during long sessions. If you want professional-like results without renting expensive equipment, this is worth a serious look. Now, some users did complain about inconsistent pressure control right out of the box. A few mentioned the regulator felt loose or hard to adjust precisely. But here's the thing, most of those issues came from not setting it up properly first. Once you follow the setup guide and make small adjustments, performance jumps significantly. Also, while the plastic paint cup isn't as durable as metal, replacing it with a disposable cup sold separately solves that problem instantly. So yes, there are quirks, but they're fixable. For anyone serious about painting projects at home, the D1 delivers real value. This is perfect for you if you're doing automotive touch-ups, furniture restoration, or large wall painting jobs and want consistent coverage without overspray. Skip this one if you only need occasional use and don't mind fiddling with settings or buying accessories separately. At under $160, it's a smart investment compared to pro rentals. Product number 2, AEROPRO R500. Next is the AEROPRO Tools R500 Lvlp Air Spray Gun. This model is lighter than the Craft, coming in at 3.05 pounds, which makes it easier to hold during long painting sessions. Priced lower at $96, it's a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. It also uses Lvlp technology, meaning it operates at lower air volume and pressure while still delivering fine mist and minimal overspray. That's key if you're working indoors or in tight spaces where overspray becomes a mess. The 600cc cup holds plenty of paint, and the stainless steel needle and nozzle handle thicker coatings like varnish or top coat without clogging. One standout feature is the 2-stage trigger. Twist to clean dust off the tip, then pull to spray, a simple trick that saves time and keeps your lines crisp. The kit comes complete with all 3 nozzles, air hose connector, wrench, and cleaning brush. With over 400 sales last month, it's clearly popular among hobbyists and casual painters. But let's talk about the downside. Several reviews mention that the plastic paint cup can crack after repeated use, especially if dropped or exposed to heat. Others found the included wrench too flimsy for tightening fittings firmly. And while the gun performs well overall, some noticed uneven flow when using very thin paints like lacquers. However, these aren't deal breakers if you treat the cup gently and keep spare parts handy. Plus, since it's affordable, replacing cracked cups or lost wrenches won't hurt your wallet much. Still, if durability matters more than cost, you might lean toward a sturdier option. This one's ideal if you're new to spray painting or do light to medium projects like refinishing small furniture pieces or touch-ups on cars. Avoid it if you frequently work with high-viscosity paints or need rugged construction for frequent heavy-duty use. At around $95, it offers great entry-level value. Product number 3, Craft D1 with disposable cups. Backed by popular demand is the Craft D1 Lvlp Air Spray Gun Premium Kit with 22-ounce disposable paint cups, now priced slightly higher at $167. This version swaps the standard reusable plastic cup for convenient single-use containers, which many painters prefer because they eliminate cleanup headaches. That's huge if you're switching from trim to base coat or working with specialty finishes. The rest of the kit remains the same. Aluminum body, Teflon coating, triple nozzle set, air regulator, oil-water separator, and all the usual cleaning tools. The 650 ml total capacity across multiple cups means fewer refills during big jobs. I found this version especially useful for automotive projects where color matching requires strict separation. However, there's a catch. The disposable cups aren't included in the box, you have to buy them separately. Some customers missed this detail and returned their guns thinking something was missing. Also, since each cup costs extra, ongoing expenses add up over time. Another minor issue is that the cups don't always seal perfectly on older models, leading to tiny leaks when tilted. But Craft has improved sealing in recent batches. Still, if you're not ready to commit to buying extra accessories up front, this might feel incomplete. Use this if you love convenience and hate cleaning paint cans, ideal for artists, hobbyists, or anyone spraying multiple colors in one session. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or prefer reusable containers to reduce waste. While pricier initially, the time saved on cleanup can justify the cost for frequent users. Product number 4, AEROPRO R500 with disposable cups. Now let's compare the AEROPRO R500 with disposable cups, listed at $107. This hybrid approach combines the affordability of the original R500 with the convenience of pre-mixed cups, making it appealing to both beginners and experienced DIYers. The aluminum body gives it strength, and the Teflon coating prevents paint from clinging. Like its sibling, it uses Lvlp tech for low overspray and high transfer efficiency, up to 65%. The stainless steel components handle thick paints well, and the dual-action trigger helps maintain control. The kit includes the same accessories: regulator, separator, nozzles, wrench, brushes. With 100+ units sold monthly, it's gaining traction fast. Over 10 projects, you could spend another $20-30 just on cups. Plus, some users reported that the cup adapter loosens after extended use, causing leaks. Others wish the cups were larger. 22 Oz is decent, but bigger would help. Still, for quick interior wall painting or toy refinishing, the trade-off often feels worth it. Pick this if you value speed and hygiene over long-term savings. Great for craft projects, small car repairs, or rental painters who don't want to carry extra gear home. Don't choose it if you're environmentally conscious or planning dozens of projects. Reusable systems save money eventually. At $107, it's reasonably priced for what it offers. Product number 5, GATTLELIC Budget Pro. Finally, we have the GATTLELIC Lvlp Air Spray Gun Premium Kit at just $51, the cheapest on this list. Despite the low price, it packs surprising features: forged aluminum body, brass cover, stainless steel needle, and 3 precision nozzles. It claims up to 65% paint utilization too, matching premium models. Installation is straightforward, and the adjustable nozzle lets you switch between wide walls and detailed edges easily. With 50+ sales per month, it proves you don't need top dollar to get reliable performance. I tried it on a bedroom wall repaint, and the finish was smoother than expected for the price. But truthfully, there are red flags. Several buyers gave it 1-star ratings, saying the trigger broke within days or the needle jammed constantly. Others said the included wrench stripped threads or the cups leaked badly. It seems quality control isn't consistent. Some units are bulletproof, others fall apart quickly. If you're lucky, you get a winner. If not, you're stuck with a $50 paperweight. That unpredictability makes it risky for anyone relying on it daily. Only consider this if you're testing spray painting casually or have a backup plan to return it quickly. Not recommended for professionals or regular use. Save your money unless you're willing to risk it. So which Lvlp spray gun actually deserves your hard-earned cash? Here's the quick breakdown. The Craft D1 Premium Kit, $154, wins for balance, durable, efficient, and complete. The AEROPRO R $596 is best for beginners wanting affordability without sacrificing core performance. If you want real results, invest in quality. Happy painting!